Now repeat after me, all right? I wonder
I wonder
if my teacher
if my teacher
will look like mom or grand.
will look like mom or grand.
Next line, all right? Repeat after me. I
I
WONDER wonder
WONDER wonder
IF if
IF
MY my
MY my
PUPPY puppy
PUPPY
WILL will
WILL
WONDER wonder
WONDER wonder
WHRE where
WHRE where
I
I
AMM.
AMM.
Now repeat after me, all right? I wonder
I wonder
if my puppy
if my puppy
will wonder where I am.
will wonder where I am.
All right, let's start reading from the beginning, all right? Abulat kangin kanlaw siya, all right? Repeat after me, all right?
An electron
From the top, first day at school.
First day at school.
I wonder
I wonder
if my drawing
if my drawing
will be as good as theirs.
will
will be as good as theirs.
Itong damlom
Next paragraph, I wonder
I wonder
if they'll like me
if they like me, they
or just be full of theirs.
or just be full of theirs.
dito kita lah.
Next paragraph, I wonder
I wonder
my teacher
if my teacher
will look like mom or grand.
will look like mom or grand.
Next paragraph, I wonder if my puppy
if my puppy
will wonder where I am.
will wonder where I am.
All right. At the bottom, kami huwaisakan new words. N-E-W new W-O-R-D-S words. Heta amo nga kan. Can you see it? What word? Yes, wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder. What's the second word?
WONDER wonder.
What is it? Drawing. Spell drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing.
DRAWING drawing.
One. After drawing, what is it?
Stairs.
Repeat after me, all right? S-T-A-R-E-S, stairs.
STARES stairs.
Next, the fourth word, G-R-A-N, grand.
GRAN grand.
G-R-A-N, grand.
GRAN grand.
What's the last word? Ato pyramid thangele.
Happy.
Happy.
Puppy. Puppy.
Puppy.
Very good. Now repeat after me, all right? So repeat after me. WONDER. Wonder.
WONDER. Wonder.
Wonder.
The next word.
Wonder.
GRAWING. Drawing.
DRAWING. Drawing.
Very good. Next. STARES. Stairs.
STARES. Stairs.
Next. GRAN. Grand.
GRAN. Grand.
Grand.
Next. PUPPY. Puppy.
PUPPY. Puppy.
Puppy.
Very good. Now, we're going to read it again from the beginning. And one more time, all right? From the top, repeat after me, all right? Repeat after me, Dudu. All right? Repeat after me. First day at school.
First day at school.
I wonder
I wonder
if my drawing
if my drawing
will be as good as theirs.
will be as good as theirs.
Next, I wonder
I wonder
if they'll like me
if they like me
or just be full of stares.
or just be full of theirs.
Next, I wonder
I wonder
if my teacher
if my teacher
will look like mom or
will look like mom or grand.
will look like mom or
Grand.
Very good. I wonder
I wonder
if my puppy
if my
will wonder
puppy
where I am.
will wonder where I am.
Now, everyone, look here. All right, nilaw en chapula. Miss kay main katsiar tiam to. Tizong, raise your hand. Very good. Miss Soizo, kaya ngay lawin kay main katsiar tiam to. Tizong, raise your hand. Very good. Very good. Now we're going to read just one more time, and after that you will read it by yourself. All right? Kay ma ko invite kat siya nga. Tumizota ng maninin siya tong. All right? From the top one more time. Siya anitong oh. All right. Tunge siya chaber ke enang. Siya chaber tu school kan kallepe let me sin sila piang. Tunge niyang oh. Nisin ingeron ken sakang oh siya chaber. And Zartar, don't you know? All right, ready? All those who are ready, put your thumbs up like this. All right. First day at school.
First day at school.
I wonder
I wonder
if my drawing
if my drawing
will be as good as theirs.
will be as good as theirs.
Next paragraph. I wonder
I wonder
if they'll like me
if they like me
or be full of stairs.
or just be full of stairs.
Next paragraph. I wonder
I wonder
my teacher
if my teacher
will look like mom or gran.
will look like mom or grand.
I wonder
I wonder
if my puppy
if my puppy
will wonder where I am.
will wonder where I am.
Very good. Now everyone fold your arms. Quảng quả to go fold your arms means quảng quả to. Here quảng quả rong tan en Alright. Tuna mi zo tuing ke explain ya don't avoid khat ma lo chia lo nya lo ngoi khap lo ngai kha khap to alright. First day at school ya school ka kalni ka saber. Nani. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. A classmate te ka chian te drawing chu lem ziak kan ti ka chian te lem ziak le ka lem ziak kha tu ziak nge thazo kang o ka lo ziak chebi viau me nga ti tha ngai to a an lo pon ka lo ziak chabi viau me nga lo ziak moi bi em me nga ti tha ngai ani oh next I wonder if they like me or theirs angai tuale pakhat chu a school kal don angai tuale pakhat chu ka chian de khan min lo ngai na nga min lo kom du ang nge nia min lo kom du si lo nga min lo en kurang ti tha angai tu ani chian de en kur lo tu ra nya kom du lo te nei lo tu ra nya hemi bula ka thu du lo te ti lo tu ra nya tur el diao mo kom du lo nei lo tu kom back tur next I wonder if my girl will look like mom or gran. Ang ay tuwale pagkatu, kanis ka, ano niya, api, oh, ano niya ka, api? Api ni. Api niya kanin ang em? Api niya kanin ang tizong tihan, pero? Api ka ang kundan ang tiyan. Api ni ano ang tizong? Ano ka ang tibok? Miss du api. Next, I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Kinakan uite no te ka niya, uite no te ka niya. Kulak na kalsan dola uikan. Kuyangi au o kuyangi au kalsan dai le ati yang mo ti ka ngai tuani. Alright? Now, look at your book again. Alright, in the kabu kalau en ula. Turn to page number 2. Page number 2. Alam mo yung page kan? Zong kalim kain huwem le. Zong kalim. A picture of a monkey. Monkey lem kain huwem. Oh, the picture of the monkey is angry. Angry face. Tu na lau siam de tu tim din dia. Tu la tinge angry face tu siam lo. Chỉ dari mana ya? Invent cheng lu tu. La tu tu ka. Tu buk si. Asin dari mana ya?
Angry.
Now next picture. Ato den ka shy. Shy tu zakzung tina ni. Le tu na tinge zakzung dia don. Nghe zakzung. Hết tao bị tin cho cái zakzung dia ka kabul ni. Next picture. Happy, happy face. Okay, let's name tunggu happy face. Yang don. Oh, happy face. Very good. The last picture of the monkey is sad. Sad tu ang tinangye. Lungay tunggu sad face. Ron siam le don. Very good. Now, one more time. Angry face. Angry. Oh, angry. Kita tiktok sila di lo angry bubume. Next, shy. Zakzum. Shy. Shy. Zakzum. Oh. Next, happy. Happy face. Let me see your happy face. Very good. The last one, sad. Lungay. Yes, sad face.
Sad.
Very good. All right. That's all for today. And what you will do at home, you will read first day at school 10 times. All right. First day at school, inang maniin. So min lau tia kang. All right. All those who will do it, raise your hand. Very good. Acha cha mi sim school kan kalte la chila pe don ka 10 times. All right. All right. That's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, Miss. Hello. Kadami oh, kan bye-bye deh.
Ai ready lâu. Anh lâu. Hi. Level 19.
이런 거 이거 몇 번째 이런
Thật ra là
거 땄어. Oh my god.
10, 19. Around day. Nó phải sẽ coi. Chứ mà chứ không kèm sẽ thì around day thì class leader. Viviana.
Viviana lầu
Viviana coba maktab ya.
Cuma lenga aron subscribe.
Ya, ala muncak lah.
Aron ho che.
Start presenting dulu. Very arif dan. Minutes more. Nhiều gia đình. Cho em. Cho em. Joshua. Zalti coaching. Stop presenting. Eleven 24. 6 minutes left. Let's wait for 6 more minutes. Let's wait for your friends. Joel, stop presenting. Joel Multi. Yun, apa na? Dila na. Mga tingin dila na tihiran lang. Anawa mo na yan.
Dylan 택하고 수학을 세고 링크 타러 아까는
Dylan? Hi, Dylan.
플라스틱 수학과 수학과
Yes,
You have
miss.
to go out from this. This is class 3. You go to class 6. Okay? Any more class 6 here? Yeah, here. This is also class 6.
플라스틱 수학과 수학과
All class 6, please. Go up. This is you delete and you go to class 6.
너무 잘해요 그래서
Class 6 sa hanlut chalero. Class 6 ho inom chuan. Ay to class 3 to. Dating ako kay nang emi. Ako kay nang emi.
아 그렇지 않아 우리 골라 이제야 먹으러 오지 아디레면 본군 칸 시험 컴퓨터 바카드 좀 손니까 나도 안 두나 시키라 아니 클래스는 나는 시키라
Cái này nó là cái này thì đầu tiên à hơn. 4 more minutes. Class 6 and lower. 24 years. Ay. Mr. Trifan.
Hello.
I'm going to take your photos. Get ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, we are about to start. Off your microphone. Only when I ask you questions, you will on your microphone. Okay, and you will keep answering me. I'm going to ask you many questions today. I hope. Can you hear my voice? I hope you can hear my voice. You can hear my voice. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. Now we are about to start. Let's wait for just a minute. Okay, it's 11:29. We'll start exactly at 11:30. Okay. Do you know your miss? Your old miss? Miss Swami? She misses you all. Miss Swami. Okay, are you ready with your grammar textbook? This one? Are you having your grammar textbook with you? Show me. Yes, that one. Very good. Okay, we will start. It is exactly 11:30. Hi, everyone. It's still morning, so I'm going to say good morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Do you know what is my name? Last time I told you my name.
Good
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Do you
Miss.
still know my name? My name. Who am I? What is my name? What my name? I am Miss Marini. Okay, I am Miss Marini. I'm in Zarkot section. Okay, I'm going to be a Miss for class 3. So see, last time when we had online classes, our first online classes, our principal, he taught you about chapter 1, isn't it? About the English alphabet. Now you are going to be in class 3. You are in class 3. When you were in class 2 also, you have learned about alphabets. From nursery, you have been learning the English alphabets. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Can you tell me? A, B, C, up to C. How many letters are there? 26. Very good. Not 27. 26. Okay, very good. Yes. 26 letters. And these 26 letters, in the first lesson, we divided them into 2 parts. One is capital letter, and the other one is small letter. Now you all can write capital letter and small letter very nicely, isn't it? I know your handwritings are very nice. You all are being able to write very nicely. You're using cursive writing. And so now we finished that English alphabet. We are going to learn chapter 2, and that is about vowels and consonants. Here, the heading is only vowels and consonants. But this lesson, are you listening? This lesson is divided into 3 parts. 3. And those 3 parts, the first one is vowel. You have been learning in class 1, 2, even in class 2. Even in class 3, you're going to learn about this vowel. The first part is vowel. And the second one is semi-vowel. And the third and the last is about consonants. Okay. Now we all know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabets. And from these English alphabets, we are going to take out 5 letters. 5. Your 5 fingers. 5 letters. Okay. And 5 letters which we are going to take out from the English alphabets are A, listen carefully, listen, A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, this A, E, I, O, U, they are known as vowels. Okay, the 5 vowels are, tell me what are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. These vowels are very, very, very important. Okay. Now, when we eat food, without curry, we cannot eat food, isn't it? You need curry. So, like that, this vowel is like a curry. So, me, so me, tell the
Please, I can't hear you.
you can't hear me. How sad. I think
Yes, please.
your net is not good. Can you all hear me? Oh, okay, okay. I'll continue. Okay. I wish you all can hear me nicely. I think I'm talking loud enough. Vowels are very, very important. Whenever we say any word, even one word, this vowel is always present. So if in your book it is said, they help other letters of the alphabets to sound clearly. So vowel is very important, okay? And they are the very soul of the language. Without curry, you cannot eat food. Just like that, a word cannot be mentioned without vowels. Vowels are very, very important. For example, A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. If we say M and N, M and N only, it's got no meaning, isn't it? Mana, mana, there is no meaning, M and N. But when we take one vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, if we take that A, and if we put between M and N, it becomes M, A, N, and it is man. A đến lầu khan, M để N khan không dẻo đâu. It has no meaning, okay? But when we put that vowel between that M and N, it's got a meaning, it's got a word, and we can say it, M, A, and man. So do you know how important vowels are? Okay, on your microphones and tell me the 5 vowels, all of you. Put your fingers like this and tell the 5 vowels. Start 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, look at page number 12. All of you, look at your textbook. Look at page number 12. And see, there are 4 examples in that vowel, 4 sentences, okay? The first one is, I am a student. Look at the sentences carefully. I am a student. Can you tell me how many vowels are there in that sentence? Number 1, I am a student. How many vowels are there? I am a student. Vowel. I is vowel. A is vowel. There are 2 A. U also is a vowel. And E is a vowel. So how many vowels are there? Tell me the letters. How many letters are there in that? 5. Very good. 5 letters of vowels are there in that first example in that sentence. I am a student. Then go to number 2. Look at number 2 in your book, page number 12. You must help him. How many vowels are there? Count the vowels. You must help him. Again, yes, very good. Again, there are 5 vowels in the sentence. U, 19. Listen here. O, U, E, I. Those 5 are the vowels. Okay. Then go to number 3. He is a clever boy. How many vowels are there? He is a clever boy. 6. Very, very Good. 6. Number 3. And in number 4 sentence, this is your pen. How many vowels are there? This is your pen. How many vowels are there?
5.
5. Very good. Very good. You are responding very nicely. Very good. Big thumbs up to all of you. Okay. You know it very well. So now, the first part of vowel is without a vowel. Listen here. Listen carefully. Vowels are open sounds that can be uttered independently. Okay, that means without vowels. Vowels kalau tumal alam kayo. A word cannot be said. Yeah. Vowels that A, E, I, O, U, they are very, very, very important. Okay. You are going to learn this A, E, I, O, U till you go to class 10. You have to know 5 vowels are A, I, O, U. Now, let's go to the second part. The second part, okay. And the second, look here. Before we go to the second part, I want to show you this. What letters are these? What letters are these? Now, let us finish with the vowels. Okay. Let's go to the second part. And the second part. The thing that we are going to learn is, what are these? Very good. These two, W and Y, they are called semi-vowels. Okay? They are semi-vowels. Atangin vowels. Atangin vowels. That is why they call it semi-vowels. Okay? So, alphabet W and Y are 2 letters, and they are known as semi-vowels. So, sometimes they sound as vowels. Sometimes, vowel. For example, listen carefully. Semi-vowel is very important. Okay. What W and Y, isn't it? W. Sometimes it sounds like O. Sometimes it sounds like wa. Wa, O. See? When it is sounding like O, it is in semi-vowel. Yeah. When it sounds like wa, A, E, I, O, U. There is no wa sound in A, E, I, O, U. So when it sounds like wa, it is not in the vowel. Not vowel. Okay, do you understand? Look at page number 13. There are 2 columns. Columns are here. 2 columns. There. My. Is there vowel?
No need.
Oh, masih Y kamu. That Y ka I kami nabi. M-Y, my. Kaya I kami nabi. Suwang ini. Y semi-vowel. It is in the vowel. It sounds like vowel. So it sounds like vowel. So it is in the vowel sound. But look at the column number 2. Y-A-K. Yeah. Why không? I thì là lệ, I sau nên chỉ có là ya, sound is not in vowel, so it is in the non-vowel. Why không? I sau nên bị kia mà semi vowel là ông chỉ W ka, O sau là bị kia mà vowel là Mase Y ka, ya tiari le, W ka, wa tiari pun na tuani, non vowel. Okay, I hope you know that. So now, we know there are 26 letters. 5 are vowels, 2 are semi-vowel. Here, how many 5 plus 3 how much? Plus 3 how much? No. 5 plus 2. How many? 7. Very good. I told you, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? How many letters? 26. Now I'm going to see whether you have put in maths or not. 26 minus 7. How many? Come on. Calculate. How much? 26 minus 7. 19. Very good, very good. 19 letters are left. So we have learned about 5 letters. We have learned 2, W and Y, and 9 letters are left. Okay. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. If you're going to talk, off your microphone. When you're going to talk with your parents, okay? Only when you're going to answer me, you on your microphone. So the 19 letters which are left are known as consonants. Consonants. See, you have to know consonants and vowels because when we keep learning, when we keep on learning, we are going to learn singular and plural. Singular and plural, these vowels and consonants are going to be very, very important. So you have to know. If I ask you, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. What are semi-vowels? W and Y. What are consonants? Then you have to know what are the 19 consonants. Now look at page number 19. All those 19 consonants. Okay, on your microphone, all of you on your microphone, let us read together the 19 consonants. Are you ready? Let us start. 1, 2, 3. Let's read all the consonants. B, C, N, J, L, M, Q, R, S, T, Z. How many consonants are there? 19. Do not consonant more. Word kan siam don tuan akan kimau. Apel tuan kil alam kilo. For example, F and G. Alam pritum kau. Ki aku alam kilo. F it has no meaning. It is meaningless. Meaning F le G kan. Mak say F le G in karakan between F and G. If you put I, which is vowel, kan A E I O U macam kan I kan F in karakan that one it becomes F I G. This one. What is F I G? What a meaning. You can say it, but sound clearly. Vowels are the very, very important, and they are the very soul of the language. Okay. Without vowels, we cannot even utter any word. We cannot say any word. So vowels are very important, as well as consonants are also important because they are the beginners. M-A-N is what? M-A-N is what? Man. Which one is the vowel? M-A-N is the vowel. Which letter is the vowel? M-A-N. The M vowel, okay, semi-vowel, okay, consonant.
Consonant.
T is vowel, semi-vowel, or consonant? T.
Vowel. Vowel.
No. C. ABC. It is what? Consonant. Okay. What is P? P is consonant or vowel or semi-vowel?
Consonant.
Then W.
Consonant.
W.
Vowel.
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 Very, very good. Now, what is Q? Q.
Vowel.
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 How many vowels are there?
Vowel.
How many how many semi-vowels are there?
Miss, I can't hear because of all the noise in the background.
Okay, how many semi-vowels are there? Two. Correct. How many consonants are there?
19.
19. Okay, now look at this. All of you look at this. This is a circle. Okay. This is called circle. A real circle. This is circle.
Yes.
This one is called circle. Okay. And this is called square. Square has four corners. Okay. And this is called what? What is this? Circle. What is this? Square. Okay. Go to page number 4. On your book, page number 4. Number 4. I'm going to give you what to do at home assignment. It's very, very easy, just like nursery work. Yeah. But you have to know what is circle and what is square. So tell your book to read. Okay, look at number 8. Center of one is size A. Put a circle around the vowel and a square around the vowel. Here is A. There is no consonants. For consonants, you are not going to do anything. Only vowels and semi-vowels. You will
Too much noise. I cannot hear your voice.
Off your microphone. Off your microphone. All of you off your microphones. Because there is too much noise they are saying. Okay, now is there too much noise? Okay, I hope you can hear. Look at page number 4, exercise A. Okay, There. This one, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Up to this, you are going to do by yourself. So you listen carefully so that you will not get confused while doing it. And when we come back to school or when we come back for online classes, we will see whether your works are being done correctly or not. Now, exercise number A. You are going to circle all the vowels like this, put like this circle with pencil. And for all the semi-vowels, you are going to put a square like this, square, okay? You must know the difference between square and circle. That is for exercise A. And for exercise B, put a circle around consonants. Circle is this one. Exercise B, you will find out only the consonant letters, okay? Then exercise C is very easy. Too easy for class 3. You will be able to write this even when you are eating something, when you're talking with your friends also. I think you'll be able to do exercise C. Vowels, you'll write down the 5 vowels. Consonants, you will write down the 19 consonants, all with capital letters, okay, not with small letters. I want you to write with capital letters. And down there, 2 semi-vowels. I hope you still remember those 2 semi-vowels. That is very easy, C. A, B, C is too easy. And look at exercise D. Supply a suitable vowel for each blank. You know vowels, A, E, I, O, U. You cannot write Y, W, N, P, K. All that you cannot write here in the blank. Only vowels, okay? For example, number 1, B dash Y. Here you can write B-O-Y, boy. You can write B-A-Y also, bay. But you cannot write B-I-Y because B-I-Y has no meaning, okay? You can even write B-U-Y, answer B ka umlaw. If it is a word, if it is a vowel that you fill up, it is all correct. So for number 1, there are 3 correct answers. B-O-Y, B-A-Y, and B-U-Y. You can choose only one vowel, okay? Like number 2, C-O-W also you can write. You can even write C-A-W also. But you cannot write C-I-W. C-I-W. If you put I, it has got no meaning. Meaningless. Janaylaw, ming nilaw. Khang ho ha to asya thai big law. Vowel ni thau ma se. Okay. I hope you'll be able to do this D. Y-A, number 3, Y-E-S, yes. You cannot write Y-A-S, yes. There is no Y-A-S. It is E. You cannot write Y-I-S also. Y-U-S also you cannot do it. So you have to pick out the correct vowels and fill in the blanks, okay? Then number 4, A-R-E. Number 5, I'm going to say it fast because this is going to be your assignment. Don't write now. Number 5, O-U-R. Number 6, Y-A-K. Number 7, S-I-R. There is no S-U-R. There is no S-A-R. Okay? Don't write A and U. It is S-I-R, sir. You have sir, the male teachers in your school. And number 8, P-U-P, pup. You can even write P-I-P-P also. Page number 4.
Please.
4, page number 4. Then number 9, G-O-D, God. There is no G-A-D, get. There is no G-U-D, gut. G-I-D, git also is not there. Only G-O-D, God. Then plun, P-L-A-N, plun. Number 11, T-W-O-2. Number 12. 12 also got 2 answers. S-A-W, so. 3 answers we can even write. S-E-W, so. S-O-W. S-A-W. So you are going to choose only one, okay? So I want you to do exercise A, B, C, D, E, and F in your textbook tonight and even tomorrow, unless till we come back to the next class. Here, number E, supply a suitable semi-vowels. Semi-vowels, if it is semi-vowels, If it is semi-vowels, you are going to write only W and Y. No R, no S, no Q, only W and Y. Then supply a suitable consonant for each blank. Consonant. If it is a consonant, you know what are the 19 consonants. Only the consonants you will write. But you cannot fill up any consonant which you like. It should have a meaning. Okay? For example, here the number F1 dash AT anita. EAT in that one, E then E vowel in Arabic don't know. You have to write C or M or R consonants. If you write C is consonant. So CAT cat, MAT mat, then BAT hat, like that. Okay, I hope you'll be able to do it. Our time is almost up. Okay, class 3. Do you understand what we have learned about those 3 parts? What are those 3 parts? Vowels, semi-vowels, consonant. All intimate. Vowels tel lo khan thumal eng ma siam thelo. Semi-vowel ka atang le vowel la oma atang le vowel la wa oma. Y ka I ang ari kuna vowel la omchina. Y ka ya ti ari kan vowel la wa omchin. W ka O, W ka O, entirnan PAW, O ti ari kan vowel la oma. Mase WAR, war ti ari kan W ka vowel la wa omchin. Subang suan semi-vowels antini ka. Suan kata vowels le semi-vowels la uzong ka consonants niya. Consonant si apoy mo achan tuna kina singular le plural kan zirhuna kanin. Consonant y atop chuan ti te kan run zirdon. Vowel y atop chuan tu kan belang. Consonant y atop chuan tu bel turti kan run zirhuna kanin. Apoy mo don vowel le consonant ni. Subang chuanin ahaw lutuk ABC ringot ti angkan nga ilautur. Vowel clear shantur. Semi-vowel is separate and consonant is separate. So I hope you all understand, and do page number 4 and 5. Exercise A, B, C, D, E, F. Don't do G, H, I, J, okay? Only up to F, okay? Class 3? Do you know? Can you all hear me? Okay, now our class time is over. Let's all try to meet each other again. Next online classes, and stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye-bye all of you. Bye-bye. Bye, Miss. I'm going to miss you all.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye. Bye-bye. Don't forget my name. Yeah. Bye-bye. Anyway,
哦，ai lấy là mà có khả năng ông mà si khá computer khá chỉ